This video will provide a quick overview of the FTS360 software. This software is a password-protected website that allows you to access camera systems and weather systems for your network. This one that I'm currently accessing is the Tonto National Forest network, which is located near Phoenix, Arizona. On here you can see different weather stations and camera systems throughout the forest. So if we look here, there's their RAWS network for their fire weather. So you can click on here and quickly see the latest weather readings. This software is also used to command and control the camera systems. So you can take control of one of these systems, pan, tilt, zoom, and access the cameras through this way. This line indicates the azimuth direction that the camera is currently pointed, along with the field of view for that camera. And here you can see if you have two cameras pointed at the same event, maybe that's a smoke column or a wildfire in progress, you can right click and get the GPS position right on the spot. The use case there is if you're investigating an event in progress, you can get some positional information to help you locate crews and resources quickly and effectively. So what I'll do is I'll just go in and take control of one of these systems here through the live stream feature. So this allows you to take control of the camera, pan, tilt, zoom, and action with this camera. So you can see here you can control just along the axis different horizontal information. You also have the zoom capabilities here to be able to investigate certain events or locations of interest. There is a drop-down feature which allows you to set preset positions. And again, just zoom around and investigate the areas you're interested in. So really, I would say within a 5-mile radius of this camera system, you can get a pretty good visual indication of events as they occur. It is a little bit windy there today, so there's a little bit of camera shake happening. Yeah, so then if we do go back to the map, we'll be able to see the new azimuth position, and I'll maybe just zoom in so we can see a change in the field of view as well. But yeah, this is really how you would ultimately command and control the camera system. It is limited to users that have password protected access to this part of the software. So this wouldn't be for large distribution. This would be for key members of your team to be able to log in, control the camera, and get the information they need for the events that you guys are managing. So I'll go ahead here and go back to the map view, and as you can see here, the azimuth is now pointing in a new direction with a much more narrow field of view. So you can identify where exactly this camera is pointed and take observations of GPS position to locate events such as a wildfire.